0 calories and 100% GMO-free. New Splenda Stevia, made from the leaves of the stevia plant.
Wait, stevia is a plant?
Yeah, but...
Well, if stevia is a plant, then what's stopping people from growing their own?
Nothing. We just...
Look at me, Splenda. I'm growing stevia down here in my basement.
Okay, look, stevia is a plant, but to get the best tasting stevia, you need the sweetest part of the leaf.
I'm gonna grow it in my closet, and there's nothing you or my mom can do about it.
Okay, or you could just try the great taste.
I'm gonna turn my backyard into a stevia grow operation. Take that, Splenda!
Or you could just...
We could grow our own and make sweet tea with it. Hell yeah, we could.
Okay, or you could just try the convenience and great taste of the stevia we already grew. 100% GMO-free.
I'm gonna grow my own and take it to the coffee shop.
It's a really bad idea.
Splenda Stevia. It's the sweetest thing you could grow.
I mean, if you had time and you liked gardening and, you liked kind of doing stuff the hard way.